Okay, so napaka-exciting itong laban na to kagabi ni yung si Manny Pacquiao at yung si Mario Barrios, no? So ito yung nangyari kagabi sa MGM Arena sa may Las Vegas. So yun naman talaga ang lugar ni Manny Pacquiao, ano? So hindi ko sasabihin muna, no, yung pero nanalo siya.
Mario Azteca Barrios.
Trunks here are good. Trunks here are good. Anything below this belt line is a foul. Gentlemen, we went over the rules in the dressing room. I want to remind you, protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands. God bless you both. Touch on.
30s, you have a welterweight, hands are fast, feet are no longer fast.
Premier Boxing Champions presents the feature.
Okay, so napaka-exciting itong laban na to kagabi ni yung si Manny Pacquiao at yung si Mario Barrios, no? So ito yung nangyari kagabi sa MGM Arena sa may Las Vegas. So yun naman talaga ang lugar ni Manny Pacquiao, ano? So habang nanalasa sa ating bansa ang bagyong or tropical storm Krising, kung saan ang daming binaha, ito naman si Manny Pacquiao doon sa Las Vegas ay binaha ng suntok ang kalaban niyang si Mario Barrios. Okay? So proud to be Pinoy. Ang galing pa din, ano? So the only boxer na umabot ng 8 division at pangalawa siyang champion na bumalik na gritero na nanalo pa din. Okay? That's Manny Pacquiao.
Third bout of the evening and our Pacquiao versus Barrios in the main event of the evening.
The 10-time world champion, the fighting legend of the
Mario Barrios.
Again, I would caution you to keep this fight clean at all times, protect yourself at all times, and when I say you must obey, good luck, touch them up and God bless. Touch them up. Finish fighting.
Does this man still possess the Manny magic?
Either start fighting more or have trouble getting
Both and Barrios looking to establish the
I'm not trying to give too much. Leaving it.
The punch. His hands go right back to his body, anticipating the counter shot.
in the first frame. Barrios establishing the jab doubles.
So nakailang pagkatingin ko kanina, no, nakailang bisis na bumagsak ito si Mario Barrios. Manny Pacquiao won by knockout sa 12 round. Pero yung buong video na nakita ko kanina, kasi nung panood ko ulit, naging AI ang ano niya, hindi dami nang AI na naglaganap na ngayon sa internet, no. So hindi na yung mukha ni Manny Pacquiao, AI na, kaya hindi yun ang So ito muna pa si una, at least alam nyo na nanalo si Manny Pacquiao. Siguro next time hindi rin pwedeng ipapakita buong buo kasi mga copyright naman tayo. Okay? So nanalo si Manny Pacquiao kagabi sa Las Vegas. So proud to be Pinoy, so proud, ang galing. Okay.